Chunni and Munni wore red dresses so bright, pink little bows and shoes shining white. They skipped down the lane with a laugh full of glee to Bella's house under the old oak tree. "'Cause it's tea for three, come sit with me. Sugar and cupcakes, 1, 2, 3. Pour the tea and pass the scone. With friends like you, I'm not alone." Bella the bear wore a tiny blue hat. She brought out cookies and said, "Look at that." Chunni said, "Yum," and Munni took 2. They sipped pretend tea and said, "Thank you." "'Cause it's tea for three, come sit with me. Sugar and cupcakes, 1, 2, 3. Pour the tea and pass the scone. With friends like you, I'm not alone." Little toy cups, plates so small, tiny spoons and cakes for all. Laughter, stories, songs so sweet. At Bella's tea, it's a lovely treat. As the sun set, they waved goodbye, with crumbs on their cheeks and stars in the sky. They promised to meet the very next day for another tea party full of play. 'Cause it's